Welcome to Tiny Leaf. Today, we're diving into the best flowers for spring that will add color and beauty to your garden. First up, we have tulips. These iconic flowers come in a variety of colors and shapes, making them a must-have for any spring garden. They're easy to grow and can brighten up any landscape. Next on our list are daffodils. Known for their cheerful yellow blooms, these flowers are often among the first to appear in spring, signaling warmer days ahead. At number 3, we have hyacinths. These flowers are not only vibrant but also incredibly fragrant. Their clusters of blooms can fill your garden with delightful scents. Crocuses are another spring favorite. These small, cup-shaped flowers bloom early and can handle chilly weather, making them a resilient choice for your garden. Who could forget the stunning cherry blossoms? With their delicate pink or white blooms, they're a breathtaking sight in the spring and a symbol of renewal. At number 6, we have lilacs. These fragrant clusters of purple or white flowers bloom in late spring, bringing a lovely scent to your garden. Next, let's talk about peonies. Known for their large, lush blooms, these flowers are a stunning addition to any garden and can be found in various colors. Primroses are cheerful flowers that come in many colors. They thrive in spring and are perfect for adding a pop of color to shaded areas. The elegant iris is next on our list. These flowers bloom in various shades and add a touch of sophistication to your garden. We have forget-me-nots. These small, delicate blue flowers create a charming effect and are perfect for borders and filling gaps in your garden. Anemones are beautiful flowers that come in vibrant colors. Their unique petal shapes make them a favorite for spring arrangements. Snapdragons add height and texture to your garden with their tall spikes of colorful flowers. They're perfect for creating a stunning floral display. Sweet alyssum features tiny, fragrant flowers that create a lovely carpet of color. They attract pollinators and are great for borders. California poppies are known for their bright orange blooms. They thrive in sunny spots and can add a cheerful pop of color to your garden. Finally, we have lobelia. These trailing flowers are perfect for hanging baskets and containers, providing a cascade of color throughout the spring. And there you have it, 15 beautiful flowers to brighten your garden this spring. Which ones are you excited to plant? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more gardening inspiration. Thanks for watching.